Ever heard your brain is just like a sponge? We've been told that our whole lives, but what if it was more like Play-Doh, malleable, pliable? That's the power of neuroplasticity. It's your brain's ability to rewire itself, create new connections, and adapt. It's like the ultimate glow up for your brain. I don't know what it is, bro, but they are glowing like crazy. So I'm gonna make it really simple to understand. Imagine that you're hiking a trail. The more you walk that trail, the more familiar you are with the trail and the easier it becomes. That's the same way your brain with alcohol works. It's used to the same old worn out trail. There's nothing new to see, but you still walk it anyway. What if you started walking a new trail? Just like anything, at first it's tough, it's new, it's different. You're tripping over rocks or getting smashed in the face by branches. You're just a hot mess. Guess what? The more you walk that new trail, the more you get used to it. Your brain starts marking the path, and it gets easier every single time you walk it. You recognize that tree, you're familiar with that rock. That is neuroplasticity. You're literally rewiring your brain to prefer a new trail. But it's not like you could just start frolicking in a field of daisies and suddenly you're sober. Takes work, bro. And that's ultimately the difference between sobriety and recovery. Recovery is about choosing a new path every single day. Because guess what? Your brain is a creature of habit. You weren't paying attention to your breathing, but now you are. Your body has a habit of keeping you alive. And here's the truth, man. This isn't just some woo-woo science. It's backed by hard facts. It's backed by the power of your mind. It's backed by the power of you. So the next time someone tells you once an alcoholic, always an alcoholic, shove some neuroplasticity up their toxic to shut the front door. Show them that there's another trail and you're hiking it like a boss, because your brain isn't stuck in its ways and neither are you. And that is how you rewire your brain for recovery.